Hey, let me show you how you can change the backdrop in your MacBook camera. So this will be on the system level. You don't need to change it in the setting app. You can just do it in your kind of Mac settings. So first you need to turn on the app that uses camera, like I'm using the FaceTime right now. Then you will see an option for a camera and recording here at the top. In my case, I got the FaceTime here. And there's an option for background. That's new thing actually adding in the last update. So they just added in macOS 15. So be sure you're updated to 15 or up and you'll be able to see that. You can now select the gradient, you can select an image or even upload your own image. So let's try with an image first. And then you cannot forget to actually turn on this feature. So you need to click here. It's on now and take a look. I can see an image behind myself. All right, let's just try with a simple gradient. And here it is, very nice, simple gradient behind me to kind of hide my room. All right, and now the system will remember those settings. So next time I'm using FaceTime, I will see this backdrop behind me. And you can set it up this way for multiple different apps. So you just need to set it up once, like for Zoom or other apps using your built-in camera, and then you can kind of roll with that. All right, and then you can upload up to 9 images using the plus button here, and then if you need a new image, you just need to remove the old one first. All right, so that's how easy it is. First, open the app that uses the camera, like a FaceTime. Search for recording button at the top. It may look like this one, or just like a camera if you record only your camera. Right now I'm also recording my screen for you. Take a look. So I got 2 different apps here in the recording section. And then be sure you select an image, but also click on this. All right, that will turn it on and off. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.